Many ancient cultures left behind traces of their cuisine through archaeological remains, old texts, or preserved ingredients. Reconstructing these recipes requires detective work, interpreting clues, experimenting with flavors, and imagining how people once ate. Exploring these dishes brings history to life in a sensory, relatable way. Our journey begins 50,000 years ago in the caves of modern-day Iraq. Here, archaeologists found evidence of what might be the world's oldest recipe. Neanderthals gathered wild legumes, mustard seeds, and pistachios. They crushed these ingredients and mixed them with water to form a paste, which they likely cooked on hot stones, creating a type of rustic flat. This wasn't just survival. It was a planned recipe, a deliberate combination of flavors. Thousands of years later, in ancient Mesopotamia, cuisine became an art. Clay tablets from around 1750 BCE, now at Yale University, contain detailed recipes. One of the most complete is a rich lamb stew called tu. The instructions call for simmering lamb with leeks, garlic, and coriander in a pot. This dish reveals a sophisticated palate, a culture that savored complex flavors and documented their culinary creations for generations to come. From Neanderthal flatbread to Mesopotamian stews, these forgotten meals are more than just food. They are stories of innovation, culture, and the timeless human desire to create something delicious.